tests, 4 average values were not equivalent. And the Levine's test also showed that the variance, the precision of this 4 data set, that these 4 averages were not equivalent. So we have deleted the water density determined using a Becker. And now we're going to compare just the water density obtained using a graduated cylinder, a volumetric, and a graduated pipette. This data set was provided in spreadsheet number 3. Well, we can first, we should do a box plot. I believe that a box plot is one of the best manners to visualize your data set. So I'm doing descriptive statistics. I'm going to plots. I'm going to box plots, jitter elements, user color palettes, and label outliers. I already know that I don't have any outliers in this data set because in the first video of this series, I have deleted the only one outlier results that I have. Well, I am waiting the results of my test, and I am waiting for the results. Just going to statistics. This is the full configuration for statistics, for descriptive statistics in JASP. We show the use interquartile range. I'd like to show in the table median and mean, and the Shapiro-Wilk test. Shapiro-Wilk test is a test used for normality, but I can check data normality using Shapiro-Wilk test. However, the box plot is a very effective way to show that my data was normally distributed or not. So now I have my box plots. The plots get really nice. Once that I have deleted the results obtained with the Becker. My box plot is in here. I can see clearly, just looking for the box plots, that the results obtained with a graduated cylinder were different from the results obtained with a graduated pipette and a volumetric pipette. I can do a one-way ANOVA and then a post hoc test to conclude this. But just looking to this picture, I can see the difference. And you can see that in the last videos of this series, because of the Becker, it's hard to see this difference. I can see the difference in here. I can see it also. But because I have this data set, which was acquired using a Becker, it's hard to see these differences. But once that the results obtained with the Becker were deleted, it was easy to me to do this observation, to see it. Okay? And now I am going to use statistical tests to conclude what I already know just to look into this picture. I'm going to ANOVA. I will go to water density, and I will go to glassware. Every time that I do a one-way ANOVA, I must go to assumption checks. I must check if my data set is the variance of my data set were equivalent. When I do the Levine's test, I can see that the water density obtained using these 3 glassware were equivalent. I can look for this just looking for the size of the box or simply the interquartile range. My one-way ANOVA show that the 3 average values are not equivalent. But just ANOVA test cannot say to me where just differences lies. To see where the differences lies in a one-way ANOVA, I must use post-hoc tests. I can go to here, select glassware, and then once that glassware was inserted, I can use my post-hoc tests. My post-hoc test showed that the graduated cylinder provided different results from the graduated pipette and the volumetric pipette. I did 2 statistical tests to confirm what I already know just looking for the box plot. Many thanks for everyone that see this video, and until the next video of this series.